Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
So my fans on TV, it's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by Mr. Kok.
Steve.
Mr. Kok.
Steve ngiyabonga.
Angisakubiza ibhlapha. Ngathi Kok.
Awusambithi ngamaTimberlake. Uyangihlonipha.
Yeah, respect.
Ngijabula ukuthi uyangihlonipha.
Yeah, respect.
Feel Ukraine.
Amnandi otherwise.
Amnandi jam. Ngicela ukubikela amajita ngiseni.
Yeah.
Nama fans wethu baqhubeke ba support this. Steve.
Yeah.
Ba subscribe ba like, you understand? Just check it out on TikTok, sikhona ku TikTok. Just introduce each and every time, Steve.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Steve, I was a player. One of the slowest player, one of the slowest athlete, you understand? One of the slowest learner, me and Steve. So I prepared something because of this game, Steve. I'm happy with the performance, not happy with the results.
Okay, yeah.
So I just prepared something for myself, Steve. You know.
Yeah.
We played the 4-4-3, Steve, where we tried to attack. The system that we played today is the system that we played against Pyramid.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
And the same system, we're gonna use it. I think we're gonna use it against Kaizer Chiefs. Because we should tolerate red card.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. For us, it's gonna be this game was a difficult, very difficult game, Steve.
Yeah.
Where we expect us to grab a win.
Yeah.
You understand? Nanoma sitoti iSundowns ithethe league. At least ithethe ngale 1 point.
Yeah.
You know. Nanoma sitoti iSekhukhune sisemva kwethu or iStellenbosch sisemva kwethu. But then sibashiya nga 10 games or 10 points.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
So Steve, coming to this game, Steve, players need to understand. Guti, we play week in, week out.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Agna relax.
Yeah.
Agna play like mele rest.
Yeah.
This is football. And it's in abanyis viso buhlungu, fans bava buhlungu, secretary, umuntu osana ama player, coach, technical team, ama player nabo bava buhlungu.
Yeah.
So they need to also understand because we play this game each and every week.
Sure.
Understand? And we play different games.
Yes.
Looking upcoming games, it's tipo 2 games. Hlangane Chiefs.
Yes.
As coach Chiefs. This is the game that we need to win.
Today.
Understand? Today. We played Nyapinza. We played the same way we played last the Pyramid. Vandag. Understand? Angat kuthi sicabanga idabi. It's difficult, Steve. Kudlala idabi mavika landzelana.
Yeah.
I don't lie. Good difficult. Yabona nama stadium aba packed, Steve.
Yeah.
Akusi easy kudlala idabi, Steve.
Yeah.
But okay, sharp. I'm gonna come to the game, Steve. First of all, I wanna thank Umahopa.
Evidence.
You understand?
Yeah.
He knows what he's doing. Lapho club.
Yeah.
I'm judge.
Yeah.
I'm blame.
Yeah.
Nama players bakhuluma nama technical director, bakhuluma nama coach.
Yeah.
Ebafika ground in the bakhumbula leligama lokugcina lelicoach abatshele lona.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Maybe evidence amtshela ukuthi run with the ball. Ukhumbula that leligama lokugcina ngoba nathi as ama fan we put pressure.
Yeah.
You know, this angifuna ucabanga Steve. Lama fans they can feel what we are saying or whatever that they swear words that we say to them, understand?
Yeah, I count.
But I feel keep a game in that person, you understand? Sasa wena uthi Pirates ayidlala.
Yeah.
Wang understand? But when I favor Pirates Steve.
Maro yam too.
Ngiphinde ngibuye Steve ngithi as a coach.
Yeah.
I understand and I respect each and every decision. Understand?
Yeah.
You don't have to blame ama players or don't have to blame ama fans. There's certain players, bakhona kudlala certain players. Checking namuhla masingena ku Den Hood. Mokunzima ukusadlala Steve.
Too much.
Understand?
Too much.
Because coach introduced Van Rooyen kakhulu.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Ngiyakhumbula there was an interview where I said because coach has to prepare ama players 5 games before or 3 games before. You
Yeah.
understand? This is what the philosophy. But I understand that consistency is needed in this team. You understand? Umonyani ngivebathu khona. This is the player that was supposed to train or maybe trained 5 games before.
Yeah.
Because I don't gonna feature in for Van Roy and Van Dijk.
Yeah.
You understand? Angibajaji bo lamachita bo Shando. I don't judge uNdlozi. Badlalile this team. Mesibadinga vele kule game Van Dijk. Ungacheka uShando. Match fitness yamshaya.
Too much.
Ucoverile mara udlalile Steve.
Yeah.
Understand? Isap imshayile coach. Me for me on my side. I didn't think ukuthi kumele ukhiphe uShando. You understand? Because at least they gazama ukubalance uHodu even though mid fitness imshaya Steve.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
My players now ngiyabacela Steve.
Yeah.
They need to pull up their heads. We need them Steve. Team slowly but surely iyahamba Steve. You understand? Nyalo check isikhathi check nini bantu bahleli nema calculator Steve sebaqala calculate. You understand? Now bantu basebashoka usinaka uDabu sidliwe Steve. Angeke sidliwe uDabu. We just have to pull up our socks Steve.
Yeah.
I understand.
It's too late.
Ngiyakutshela Steve.
It is too late.
Tibo, Tibo.
It is too late.
The socks now.
It is too late.
Tibo.
No, Godfather ring.
Akasondele Steve.
Uring.
Akasondele akeze Steve.
Usabuyela side.
Akeze akabaleki Steve akeze Steve.
What is too late? No.
Asimngene Steve. Asimngene kancane Steve. Balwela i-top 8 lapho.
Yeah, it gives.
You understand? Balwela i-top 8.
Yeah.
If mina mingithi siphula up ama-socks. Yabona, mingithi mina siphula up ama-socks Steve. Ngisho ukuthi laba angeke bayithathe ibank Steve.
Ine-bank chiefs angeke ibone.
Oh angeke. Hayi Steve ungasha. Lalela amnika Steve akhuluma. Asimove Steve.
Amaprofeta wamanga sibajwayela. Labantu laba bathe bona after mabaqeda ukudlala 5 games ne when i-league mayichala i-Betway.
Yeah.
Bayiframe lento le bathi ne the league is ours. Bathi angekho umuntu ozothatha i-league ezandleni zethu. Wabona? Bathi okay akuna problem. Wabona? Umuntu ne right angathi akhuluma nomayini ngoba umpikise and nokuphupha ku right. Wabona? You can dream is all right. Wabona? Naye bathi ne bengeke sesithathe. Singeke simpikise sithini mara sothi mase sithathile then akazo
Ngizobuya lana Steve.
Yeah.
Mara ngiyangutshela Steve. Ngiyangutshela Steve. Mina ngilibhakaniye Steve. Elikhulu Steve. Angiphela umoya Steve.
Yeah.
Laba singashaka laba Steve. Ayakutshela isigqoko lesangeke ngisasiqoka. Ngoba yakalesinye isigqoko Steve. Ngiyakutshela. To show ukuthi
Uyashisa lisi.
Ngiyasiphanzela kancane.
Yeah.
Isithosi sibuyela isigqoko lezi.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngibulala yonke.
Uzobe sowukhile.
And ngiyabe sengithatha i-league Steve. Ngothatha uma 15 times.
In a row.
Bye Steve.
In a row.
Asambe solala.
15 times in a row.
After match. Tibo last bajwayela.
Tibo laba abangakhuluma. Mina ngikompita no number 1 na number 2 na number 4.
Sharp.
Hayi laba ngibabuni laba.
Yeah.
No ngisingihlola ngefaster abekho.
Yeah.
Ngoba kuphi bangale.
Ay baphansi.
Bangale nzansi.
Baphansi.
Ungagugula nyalithatha phone yakho. Ungagugula uthatha phone yakho Steve uthi uyagugula. Baqala bakhopha bakhombi 8 top 8 Steve.
Ngiyamuzwa ubulela ne.
Yeah.
But the thing kuri Pirates there's nowhere Pirates ga league ne.
Yeah.
Chiefs is a league. Chiefs do league before. Because league. I'm telling you, let's start. The time but 2-1, basha pyramid 2-1 game is on. La baqala ukubhala ku WhatsApp yazi bathini bathi I wonder how much will be the kit for the kit for the Pirates for the with the second star
Lesithi bangana journalist.
How much t-shirt for Pirates for the second star kanti bashapa it's going to be expensive this t-shirt because it's going to be 2 stars.
Yeah.
So now dololo
Ativale Tivo sithi congratulations
Athi uzokwinela ikhala. Uyamlaha.
ayenzeki lento leyo uyaphupha uphitha lamagama wakhe uyaphupha Tivo mara asivale kanjeni Tivo bona sokulate sona khona amajita abasafuna ukushaya i-interview Tivo sithi congratulations ku-Eric Tingles Tivo you understand why
or for win
uchamuke ngeplan I salute umfukeng Obana if unkotha de uyadlala ngakhona Vandag nomfukeng adlala de unkotha adlala ngakhona muzoyishaya isikukhulu but then the ulomfana lo ekadlala right back umike sure ukuthi umfukeng akayenzayo you understand kuyivala Tivo awona say futhi congratulations everything la udlale kahle umike sure kusama player wakhe amuva ne Pirates you understand bamuva bonke akuna ungayicheka ngabuyela kule game buke ama highlights ubukele each and every player ubambe umuntu wakhe ngikhuluma ngeopponent yabona ngikhuluma naye ngesikhukhulu understand but then yami man of the match ngizoyiga umnari thank you uyicimile le midfield Tivo
Thank you God.
sharp
Thank you God. Zokala cheers.